I heard the girls needed a Valentine's Day look to rock with their bootangs. You came to the right place. Alright, hey guys, it's Dijanae here again. I'm back with a brand new video. On this video, I just want to show you guys a cute little Valentine's Day look. I know I'm not doing anything for Valentine's Day, but I know there are people out there that are doing something. Like, I'm pretty sure there's people out there with the boobs, the bootangs, tings. So I just decided to show you guys a cute little simple Valentine's Day look, because I know, even though we are still kind of like in the middle of a panorama, restaurants are opening back up, so I know you guys are going to be able to go on dates. So I just wanted to give you guys a cute little fun makeup look. Alright, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so my face is already primed. I use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. My eyebrows are already done. I did them off camera. If you need help with learning how to do your eyebrows, you can just go and look at my video on my page. Well, I'm gonna probably like link it somewhere here, so you could just go and then come back to this video. So as of lately, I've been trying a new technique on doing my makeup. I normally do my face makeup after I put my foundation on. However, I'm going to do my concealer and my contour before I put my foundation on. So now that I concealed under my eyes, my nose, and blended out my contour color, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. And if you're wondering why I keep looking down, it's because I have a mirror right here, and I prefer my mirror versus looking at my screen, because technically the lens is right there, but I keep looking at the screen. So I'm gonna just keep looking down. I don't think I'm like creepy or anything. Alright, so I'm going in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set right underneath my eyes. This is just a tip that I learned that I like, because if I don't do this, then it normally creases up. So you can set your laugh lines, and I'm always cheesing and smiling, especially when I'm talking, like filming. So just go like this and set right there. Alright, and now we're ready for them eyes, girl. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow base, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. So now that I blended out my eyeshadow base on my eyelids, I'm just going to go in with my transition color. This color right here. Fill that in first. So my transition color is blended right there above my crease. I'm going to go in next into my crease. I think I'm going to use this one right here. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that same color that I put above my crease just to bring it back out because it got a little lost. Then next I'm gonna go with this dark color right here and put that on top of this in the outer corner. So I'm just taking that color and I'm just packing it in right there. Then I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that all in. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to wait for this eyeshadow base to get a little bit more tacky, and I'm going to go in with a, I'm not sure if I want to go in with like a glitter or if I want to go in with a solid color. I'm kind of glittered out, but we'll see. So now that my eyeshadow base is tacky, I'm just going to go in and put a light pink on top of that. All right, and now that I put that pink onto my lids, I'm just gonna go back in with that same dark color I put right here just to blend it out a little bit more on the edges of that light pink. So we're just gonna buff it in like this. So that cleaned that up a little bit more for me and I like it better. And I did set my face with setting powder, so I'm just going to set those parts too because I put concealer right there. Now this step is not necessary. This is just necessary for me because I didn't like the shape of my eyeshadow, and I think that should be a tip that I want you guys to take, is that when you're blending your eyeshadow, make sure that you are in control of where you put the product, because sometimes if you're just like blending all over the place, you get your product everywhere and in places that you didn't want it to be. So all right, so I put my lashes on off camera. I am using the lashes from BTAYLOR Beauty in the style Sweetheart. All right, so I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm going to use the Summer Breeze from NYX. That blush wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, so I'm going to go in with the Red Riot from NYX. There we go. There we go. And then here's a little hack. So if you feel like you put too much blush on, all you have to do is just take your face powder after you're done setting your face, and then you just dip in your powder and then go over like that onto your blush. However, I don't think I put too much blush on, but I know a lot of people don't like the idea of blush. So if you feel like you put too much on, that would be a great tip for you. And then just in slow circles, just go like this. So you can get all of your excess powder from your blush underneath your eye from when you had used the setting powder underneath there. All right, next we're just gonna go in and line our lips. And I normally line my lips with like a brown. However, it's Valentine's Day. It's all about the pinks, the purples, and the reds. So This is actually cute by itself. I never really saw it by itself like this. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Uncuffed from Fenty. We're gonna use this to make an ombre lip. And you can put as much nude on as you want to get it to the color that you want it to be. And make sure that there's no lipstick on your teeth. And then I got the perfect color that I want. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color, I think I'm gonna go with the Moscow Mule. I lied, I'm not going in with that highlighter. It's too shimmery. I'm gonna go in with the Ginger Binge. And just give a subtle highlight, nothing too crazy, because I'm not really a highlight fan, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do it. And then if you feel like your highlighter is too much for you, again, just go over it with your powder, with your big fluffy brush, and it'll take away some of it for you. All right, you guys, and this will be the final look. I hope you guys genuinely enjoyed this video. I was kind of skeptical about me blending out these eyeshadows at first, but this actually looks cute. No filter or anything, just light. This actually looks cute. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will link my social media handle down below so you guys can go and check me out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Whatever I'm normally on, I'll just link it down below. But I'll probably most likely put my Instagram name right here. And thank you guys again. Oh my God. I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. I hope you guys be safe. Keep in mind that we are still in the middle of a pandemic. And yeah, that's it. Wait, no, it's not. If you are watching this video and you made it this far, I have one favor for you guys. I'm conducting a survey, and it would mean so much to me if you guys would go fill out that survey for me. I'll have it linked down below in my description box. So yeah, I think that's it. That's it. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video.